Every day, millions of people bite into this chicken. It tastes the same in different cities, different kitchens, even different countries. Most people believe they know why. They say it's the recipe. They say it's the seasoning. They say it's a secret locked away for decades. But none of that is true. Recipes don't guarantee consistency. People do not guarantee consistency. Systems do. The strange part, the man behind this chicken didn't succeed at first. Colonel Harlan Sanders failed again and again and again. Long before modern machines, long before industrial kitchens. What you're really eating isn't just fried chicken. It's the result of a tightly controlled process where time, pressure, temperature, and human error are constantly fighting each other. One mistake can turn crispy into soggy. One delay can destroy texture. One wrong second can ruin the batch. And yet, this chicken survives it all. From the moment the meat is inspected, to the moment it hits hot oil under pressure, to the final seconds before it's served, every step is engineered to remove variation. Today, we're not uncovering a recipe. We're uncovering the system that makes this chicken taste identical again and again and again. This process starts long before the chicken reaches the plant. Only specific broiler breeds are selected for uniform growth, muscle structure, and fat distribution. Every bird is tracked daily for weight, feed intake, and health. Birds outside the target weight or growth curve are rejected immediately. Muscle structure determines how moisture behaves during frying. Inconsistent muscle means inconsistent texture. This is pre-processing quality control at the highest level. Perfect fried chicken begins on the farm. Birds are stunned, blooded, plucked, and eviscerated in controlled sequences. Speed from slaughter to chilling is measured in minutes, not hours. Core muscle temperature is continuously monitored by sensors. Too slow, bacterial risk. Too fast, muscle damage. Any batch outside tolerance is discarded.
One small mistake here can ruin the entire batch.
Birds pass through chilling tunnels with precise airflow and water misting. Moisture absorption is measured to prevent dry meat or diluted flavor. Cooling preserves muscle integrity and sets the stage for seasoning. Internal juiciness is determined here, not during frying.
Water inside the meat decides juiciness, not the oil.
Carcasses are broken down into breasts, thighs, wings, and drumsticks. Each piece is weighed and measured for thickness and surface area. Machines classify pieces into frying groups based on thermal mass. Too thick or thin, batch flagged. Purpose: ensures even cooking and moisture retention.
Identical taste starts with identical mass.
Moisture levels are adjusted on each piece to prepare the surface. Surface proteins are activated to bind seasoning properly. Salt begins flavor development and moisture retention. Improper preparation, seasoning flakes off during frying.
Before seasoning, the chicken must be engineered.
Breading occurs in multiple controlled passes. First coat absorbs surface moisture. Resting time allows hydration and protein bonding. Final coat builds flake structure. Room humidity is carefully regulated. Timing is critical. Too short, powdery. Too long, gummy.
Crunch is manufactured, not fried.
Chicken enters sealed pressure fryers. Pressure raises the boiling point of water, trapping moisture inside. Oil temperature is maintained perfectly for uniform cooking. Crust sets before moisture escapes, producing crisp exterior and juicy interior. Sanders' success came from replacing intuition with controlled pressure frying. Modern systems now do this automatically, perfectly, every time.
This machine does what humans cannot.
Oil is continuously filtered to remove burnt particles and contamination and temperature stability. Oil is treated as a controlled ingredient, not a tool. Flavor consistency is preserved over countless frying cycles.
Oil remembers every mistake.
After frying, chicken enters holding cabinets with regulated heat, airflow, and humidity. Each piece has a discard timer to prevent quality decay. Late chicken is automatically removed. Freshness is a countdown.
Packaging is not convenience, it's the last line of defense for perfection.
After leaving the fryer, each chicken piece is transferred immediately onto temperature-controlled conveyor trays. Conveyor belts are synchronized to the fryer output, so no piece waits more than seconds, ensuring heat and texture are preserved. Chicken pieces are carefully oriented by robotic arms, preventing crushing and allowing airflow between pieces. Boxes are designed with vent patterns optimized by fluid dynamics to release steam without softening the crust. Internal sensors measure box temperature and humidity and automatically adjust conveyor speed to maintain crispness.
Every vent, every millimeter of spacing, every second matters.
Each tray of chicken passes through a final seasoning verification scanner, checking coating adhesion, color uniformity, and flake consistency. Pieces that fail standards are rejected automatically.
Only perfect pieces continue, and everything else is discarded. The journey from factory to KFC store is as precise as cooking itself.
Packed chicken is placed into temperature-controlled transport boxes with thermal insulation to preserve heat and humidity. Each box is tagged with tracking codes, allowing real-time monitoring of temperature, route, and delivery time. Trucks are equipped with climate-controlled storage compartments, ensuring chicken remains crisp and juicy. GPS and sensors constantly track movement, adjusting speed and climate dynamically to prevent overcooking or sogginess. At distribution hubs, chicken is transferred quickly to local delivery trucks, which also maintain precise temperature and airflow controls. Delivery routes are calculated to minimize transit time, with every second counted toward preserving freshness.
Fastest route isn't convenience, it's flavor preservation.
Chicken finally arrives at KFC outlets hot, crispy, and identical to the factory standard.
This is the secret Colonel Sanders never could explain past us until he solved the system.
The reason millions of pieces of chicken taste identical every day is not the spice mix. Sanders' early failures came from human error, timing inconsistency, and heat variability.
He succeeded when he realized that the recipe alone was powerless without a system to enforce precision.
Pressure frying, precise breading, controlled seasoning, automated packaging, and monitored logistics all work together to eliminate unpredictability. Every step, from chicken farm to fryer, to packaging, to KFC delivery, is measured, monitored, and automated.
What you eat is not just fried chicken. It is perfection engineered.
Modern KFC doesn't rely on intuition. It relies on systems Sanders designed and machines perfected. Your bite hits crispy exterior, juicy interior, exact flavor every single time because the system enforces consistency across hundreds of thousands of pieces per day.
Colonel Sanders didn't just create a recipe. He created a machine for perfection, and you're tasting it.
You didn't just eat fried chicken. You experienced decades of engineering, automation, and invisible control systems. Time, pressure, temperature, human error, all accounted for, all eliminated. This is industrial perfection delivered to your table. And now you know what's behind every bite.
Do you want to uncover more hidden systems in everyday products? Subscribe, hit the bell, and step inside the world where consistency meets engineering.